Today I'm going to review this 18,000 BTU mini speed heat pump. Currently it's running at fan mode. I set the fan speed at medium. I believe it's approximately 200 to 300 CFM. So quiet, right? You barely can hear the wind noise. Okay, and let me show you my outdoor unit. I hide my outdoor unit over here. I built a box for this outdoor unit. It's so quiet. When it's running, you barely can hear the compressor, the noise from the compressor at all. Even at midnight, you won't bother a neighbor at all. So just put anywhere in the backyard. Just don't worry about the noise. For those of you, if you're the first time to install this inverter heat pump, one thing you need to be careful is most of the installation manual require a GFCI breaker, but it turned out this inverter compressor doesn't work at the GFCI. It will chip the breaker right away. So just put a regular triple breaker on this inverter condenser. There's several reasons that I switched from furnace, natural gas furnace, to this mini speed heat pump. You can see the blue tape on the ceiling, right? All this is the van, the furnace van. Since from the pandemic, I taped this out in purpose. I just scared that this ductwork will spread or transmit the COVID-19 from the upstairs family from the downstairs family to the upstairs family, because they share the same ductwork. Let me show you. You see all this vent? And this building share the same natural gas furnace, this 60,000 BTU furnace. They connected together with this duct. So it's a high chance if one of this family get COVID, that will spread to other family through this ductwork. There's one disadvantage of this natural gas furnace is the ductwork. You can see this beam. It takes up a lot of space, right? It's a ductwork. So, and one disadvantage is the wind noise. With this big machine, 60,000 BTU, it requires a really big blower. So at night, at middle of night, you can hear the wind noise really noisy. And one more reason is the energy efficiency. It just doesn't energy efficiency to operate one single unit to heat up the whole upstairs and downstairs unit. When there's no one engaged in some of this area, if you put a mini speed heat pump, this thing can operate individually. Some brand like the one from China, Grid, they offer some condenser can hook up to 5 indoor units. So when you're sleeping at your bedroom, you can turn off the living room unit, and it saves a lot of energy. And compared to this element heater, it has 4 times energy efficiency than this electric heater. This one consume 1500 watts per hour and generate barely enough heat for this small bedroom. When they're cold at night, this one barely can make enough heat for this 100 square foot bedroom. This one, the first 10 minutes when you turn it on, it runs around at 15 to 1600 watts. After 10 minutes, it constantly draw around 3 to 400 watts per hour. It generates enough heat for this living room, kitchen, and this bathroom, approximately 500 square foot. So I believe it's time to every American to think, especially those people living in mild climate zone, to switch to heat pump and quit using the natural gas. It's really good for the environment, and it generates no carbon dioxide. Unlike the natural gas furnace, when it's running, it generates a lot of carbon dioxide.